Today we're going to talk about composing. Does anyone know what composing means?
No.
Okay. Composing is taking two things and putting it together. So we're going to talk about composing numbers. What number is this?
1.
Number 1, all right? Does anyone know what this sign is?
That means plus.
Plus. Plus means that we are putting together. And then what is this number?
1.
So we have 1 plus 1 equals. So we have 1 and 1. So count with me. 1,
1,
2. So 1 plus 1 equals
2.
2. That's composing numbers. You're putting them together. Take these, and then you have 2 dots all together. Okay? Let's go one step higher. You have 1 plus
2.
2. All right? So 1 plus 2. You have 1 dot plus 2 more. So you put them together. Now count. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 dots all together. All right. Let's skip a few. Let's do 1 plus, what number is that?
7.
7. So we have 1 dot here. And count with me to make sure I have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're saying 1 plus 7 equals blank. So let's count our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 dots in all. All right, now we're going to step it up some. We're going to say 3 plus, we'll do 3 plus 3. So how many dots go underneath this?
3.
3. So 1, 2, 3. What about this?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count our dots. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals
6.
6. All right, we're going to do one more of the bigger numbers. Let's do 4 plus 2. We just did that one. So we'll start. No, just go back to here. All right, now we're going to do one of the bigger numbers. Do 4 plus, let's go with 5. And if any of you have any questions throughout the math lesson, just let me know. How many do you have here?
4.
4. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this number?
5.
5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we have this sum, we're taking both these numbers and putting it together. So you have 4 things and you have 5 things. We're taking these things and composing them as one big thing. All right? So how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And this is different than having 45 because you have 4 things on this side, 5 things on this side, and then you're just taking it, putting it together, and then you have 9 things in all. Okay? Now we're going to do a little activity. And we're going to use we're just going to make some dots. I'll give you the equation. And then you just I'll give you the dots and you put down the numbers. Okay? So let's draw our domino. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 in this one, and 1 in the second one. And we're going to make our equation because we have blank plus blank equals big old blank, right? So how many are in this one?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So we have 4 dots. What about the second one?
1.
1. So what is our equation?
4 plus 1.
All right. So plus we are
Adding.
we are composing, we are taking 4 and adding 1 more. Okay, so let's do that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1. We take them and put them together. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see how we added 1 more to this 4?
Yes.
And we have 4 plus 5. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. Which means we have composed the two numbers 4 and 1 together to get 5. Alright, let's do a couple more. Let's get our domino back. Give me a number, just one number.
5.
5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think we'll do 2. So you have blank plus blank equals blank. How many do we have in this first side?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. And the second side?
1, 2.
So if we take this side with 5, compose it with the one that has 2, how many do we have in all? So let's let's count them.
5, 6, 7.
7. So we started with 5, 5, 6, 7. All right? Good job. We'll do one more. I think we will let's do a big number. What number is this? Count it with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. So right now you have 6 plus blank equals blank. Let's do count this one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. 4. Alright, so if we take 6 and 4, we are composing them together, which means
Adding.
adding. So we have 6 dots on this side. We have 4 over here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You take 6. And you have 4 more. And you compose them together, which means you add them together. You have how many?
10.
10. Good job. Now I'm going to show you a number bond. It's just like dice. We are still composing, but instead of the dots, I gave you hearts. That's the example of the number bond. Alright? And we have this is just like saying 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay? So I'm going to give you 2 numbers and then we're going to figure this out. So we'll do an easy one. We'll do 2 plus 3. Okay? So in the first side, you need to put 2 dots or 2 hearts. Okay? I'll do dots. And in the bottom one, you need to put 3 hearts. Now take your hearts and put them all on this side. So we take these 2 dots and put them over here. We'll put them on this side where we can put them all together. 1, 2, and then take your other hearts and put them in this side. 1, 2, 3. So we took these 2 and we took these 3 and we composed them together. So how many do we have in this big circle?
We have 5.
We have 5. That's right. So 5. So we need to make an equation with this. Blank plus blank equals 5. So we go here. What is this number?
2
2 plus
plus 3.
3 all together equals
5.
Good job. We'll do one more. Okay. Now we're going to have, let's do a big one. Let's do 5 plus 4. 5 and 4. So if you would separate 5 into one heart and 4 into the other. Okay? Alright, I'll put my dots. So what do we do here? We're composing it, right? We need to know what 5 and 4. You have 5 up here and you want more. So you say plus, right? So you need to take these 5 over to this side. And then they bring these 4 over to it. So you have all your dots over here, right? All your hearts. So how many hearts do you have in the big circle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right now we can say that 5
plus 4
equals
9.
9. That's right. Good job.